Hello, my little pickles. Granny here. And today, Granny's got a really cool surprise for you. She's got the Doh Vinci. Well, Granny doesn't even know really what it is. It just says Doh Vinci. Well, it says Play-Doh somewhere right there. So we're going to play with this today, and Granny's going to tell you what she thinks. Because you know, Granny always tells you what she thinks, doesn't she? Well, are you ready? Here we go! Here's all the stuff that came in the box. There's some tools, and there's some papers, different colors, and different colors of Play-Doh. And the instructions. Woohoo! Okay, Granny has to load this up. How's this work? Well, alright, we'll try it that way, I guess. But we have to get some of the color. Which color should we pick? Blue? Yellow? Let's do yellow. Granny loves yellow. Oh, then we put it in the tool. Okay, it goes like this. Alright, Granny's ready. Now she's just got to pick some paper. Which color should she pick? Well, that looks like blue-green. Maybe green. Let's start. What should we draw? How about a big circle? Granny's gonna draw a big circle. Oh, this is cool. How about another circle right inside the first one? And another. And another. This is like frosting a cookie. Now Granny's going to use the tool and straighten it all out. Hey, this is fun. Granny's pretty good at this. Now let's change colors. Take it out like this. And should we try... Oh, let's try pink. That's pink. Isn't that pretty? Put it in the tool. And let's make some squiggly lines. Squiggle, squiggle, squiggle. Granny likes this a lot. More squiggles. Squiggle, 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 squiggle. Ooh, Granny almost got it on her fingernail. Okay, we're done with the pink. Now let's try a different color. How about orange? Good color. Load it up. All right, more squiggles. Big squiggle lines. Do you know what Granny's making? Granny doesn't even know what she's making. More squiggles. Oh, push harder, Granny. Now we're going to have to push even harder. Squiggly lines. Time to change. What color should we pick now? How about blue? Granny's favorite color. Gotta take the cap off. Load it into the tool. And more squiggly lines. Very cute. Granny's running out of space. What in the world? Let's put some eyeballs on him. There and there. And how about a mouth? A big smile. Oops. More blue. Cool. All right. Let's try a different color. How about green? That's cool. Take the cap off first. Put it into the tool. And here we go. Put a little green there and a little green there. No squigglies this time. Just straight lines. Little green there. Cool. Now we probably got room for one more. So let's take this one out. And we'll put purple. Look at that purple. Isn't that pretty? Take the cap off. Don't forget that. Put it into the tool. Okay. Let's add purple. Wow. That purple's pretty, isn't it? Put some there. And there. And there. Oops. There. And a little bit there. And a little bit here. Granny's really running out of space. Ooh. Granny cheated. Now it's time to mix some colors using our little tool. Woo! Look at that! Those colors are coming together. That's so cool. Okay. Let's go all the way around with our tool. Gotta hold on to the paper, it's getting wild. This sure is fun. Just remember, you can do whatever you want. You can make squiggly lines, you can use different colors. There's no right way to do it when you're creating art. Woo! Alright, Granny's all done with her artwork. Are you ready to see it? Here it is. Isn't it cool? It's a sunset. Granny didn't know she was an artist, but she is. Well, that's all I have for you today. Goodbye, my little pickles. Don't forget to subscribe. Have you ever played with the Doh Vinci before? If you have, leave your answer in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe.